Hi, this is Kevin with KDMG. Owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. This is day 3 of the rewards only account that I just started. And it's the beginning of the season because I opened this on the last day of the season. And I did all right on that last day, which is normal. But the beginning of a season can be real brutal. So I was only able to get 5 chests, but I was able to get all the way to, I'm still in bronze 3 is where I'm at now. Okay. And all my rentals are gone. Once I get the rentals back, I can go higher. But what I'm debating now is if you look up here, I've got 2,101 credits left before I rent for today's focus. That's left over from the 3,000 that was given to me when you purchased the spell book. This is what I won in the season of the end of season rewards and yesterday's battles, and I'll show you that data. So I want to build this up. So I might push up into silver this season. I don't know yet. I'll take what it gives me, but I don't think I'm going to try to go higher, much higher than silver, and take and try to do a little bit silver. But remember, I'm not putting any money into this account, so I got to live off my rentals and the cards that I own, which is right here plus whatever I get today. With 5 chests, you might not get any, and then of course I can buy cards if I so choose. But here's all, just after 3 days, this is all the cards I own out of the end of season. I got 1 epic. That's a new, and they're all reward cards, of course. So not bad. I even pulled a dragon. Dragons are hard to come by. They really are. They don't give them out as much as the other ones. So let's go back and open up the chest, look at the data, and that'll be it. Of course, I do the other video every day of my 10,000 challenge, where I'm trying to get to $10,000 asset value. And let's go ahead and open these up. Now, the Gathering the Magic was saying that it's a 1 in 20,000 chance that you're going to get a pack in bronze. So pretty much if you're in bronze, the only way, and there's a rare, nice, good start. So some dark energy crystals to build up and there's a potion. And there's a card. Okay, so I get 2 more cards. So I'm building up my collection power, adding some more dark energy crystals, and 1 potion. So now let's pay attention to this. I made 18 dark energy crystals in bronze. Okay. And of course I can sell these cards if I want to, but they're not worth much right now. But here's the point I'm going to point out. Let's go look at the data. Okay. This is day 3 and the 16th. About the $10 spell is 3,000 credits. So the first day, of course, I didn't do anything. It was negative $7 because I got $3 back for the spell book and the credits. Then on the second day was a 53-cent value, 13 cards, 21 in the box, 260 collection power, 031 SPS. That's free that they're giving out right now. So I nipped away a little bit at my negative balance, and I'll do some more today, but that will be tomorrow. So here's what I'm going to show you. First, let's look at the end of season data. The Splinterlands rewards only, end of season rewards. I got 46 chests. That was after 1 day. 15, 3 rares, 12 cards, 15 cards total, 16 potions, 15 DECs of a total for 341, and no packs. Okay, so here's the focus data. I spent 845 credits to get to where I was at, but I only got back 18. That's what's going to catch up with you if you stay in bronze. But see, I'm going gold. That's why I spent a lot more. I go pure gold. So I could go a lot cheaper. But even then, it depends on what you win in those chests to keep this going. And in this one, I won 3,752. No, that's not right. I must have got that from the other account. Yeah, that's not. I don't think that's correct. I think it was 100 something. But anyway, I'll fix those. I didn't do. Uh, oh no, hold on. That's the wrong one. I'm sorry. Here it is, right here. Yeah, okay. It helps if you're looking at the right data. So 185 credits, and I only got back what 19. I said that's what I spent for today's that I'll put in here tomorrow. This is what I spent for this, but on that one I got 21 chests, 4 common, 2 rare, and 1 epic, 8 potions, and 51 in DEC. So eventually, if you stay in bronze, unless you win some good DEC in the chest, which some YouTubers do, it's going to be hard not to put any more money in. And that's what I can't do on this account, which means I'd have to start to sell off my cards. So here we go. I've got a total right now, well, plus the ones I won. So I got 13 cards. That could go quick. You got to be careful. So I'm going to push up into silver is my goal. That'll be a little bit better money and try to live off it that way. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this out, but it's not a cakewalk, but it is doable. It just depends on what you win out of the chest. Now, I got a total of 8 already for the season. So I'll have if I can make it through the season without running out of money, which I should, then I could really bank up on a lot of chests. Because remember, on just the one day, I did 21 chests in the last day. Because things get easier, the higher, well, that was all in bronze. So I don't know. It's a new system that they just implement. So we're trying to figure it out. But anyway, my new focus is water. I got to get 5,000 points just to get my first chest. And I'm probably going to have to win 5 to 10 battles to get to that one chest. Because the confusing thing is what are they considering the level that you're in at the time is what you are for that season. So since I started this on the last day, I never got out of bronze. Or I did. I got into silver. So I won't be getting my full points until I get back into silver. So I need to shoot up into silver 3 at the minimum just to start, getting nice numbers. And then and then probably spend the rest of the season maxing out my chest and my season EOS chest, and then accumulating winnings in DC cards. And once you get a nice chest pull, you're off to the races, because then you got enough to finance the next season already. And but I want to go higher, because the higher you go, you get chests, you get better cards, you can get legendaries. And the odds in bronze are just so bad. It is possible. I have seen people pull good stuff, but it's going to be a lot slower system. On the other one, I'm putting in $10 every other day. This one, nothing. So it's a labor of love, and it's fun. It's doable. If you're looking at what I'm showing you, you already can probably formulate what you would do different, or what I'm doing wrong type thing, or what I'm doing right. And that's where we're at. But anyway, subscribe and hit the notifications, so when I put out tomorrow's video, you can see it, just how I'm doing, and watch together how I build up this account. Okay. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.